Hey guys, welcome back to the Master of None. In today's exciting episode, I start here in our workshop, which is where I've done most of the projects over the last couple of years. But honestly, it's been a little on the small side. Frankly, it's always been too small to get done everything that I want. The shop supervisor has even said I'm a hoarder, but that's only because she can't park in her garage anymore. So in today's exciting episode, we're going to start with a massive effort. And it's not just building another rack for storage. Nope. Today, we're moving. And when I say we, I mean the channel. Welcome to the galactic headquarters of the Master of None. There's so much space here. I have so many ideas on what to do. I can't wait to get started. But first, let me take you through real quick, show you what I've got, and we'll talk about some of the ideas I have. And then hopefully you guys will weigh in and let me know some of the suggestions of what you've done or wanted to do that you couldn't do or shouldn't have done. That's a lot of words for your ultimate shop. All right, it's time to start with the crown jewel of this place. That's right. Nice bathroom. I am flush with excitement for this. Get it? Flush? Yeah, you get it. Right out here, along this wall, I plan right out here, I plan to put in a table so that we've got a coffee maker and maybe a little mini fridge. On this wall, we're going to have storage racks to hold all the stuff that is taking up space. And there's plenty of room to wrap around to this wall for anything. And this whole wall, I plan on being one really long bench. This whole bench will have cabinets below it, and we'll also have room for some toolboxes that'll roll in and out underneath it, so I can pull it out and use the tools right where I need to use them on whatever I'm working on. In this area, I plan on having the table saw. In the corner, I'll have probably an air compressor, and we'll run some air compression lines throughout so that I can have air wherever I'm standing, and I don't have to go dragging anything around. The ceilings are nice and tall. One day, maybe we'll get a mezzanine up there, and we'll be able to turn it into a real man cave. Ooh, that'd be cool. But this whole wall, I plan on putting up some plywood so I can have a nice stable wall. We'll mount stuff to the wall and maybe paint it and make it look a lot better than just the insulation and the red iron. So we've got a huge door to drive anything through, so that's nice. I'm not limited by the height of anything. It'll fit. In here is the office. It's just under 10 feet square, and it's got a mini split, which right now feels amazing because out there it's 95 degrees. In here, it's not. So anyway, I'm sure you can tell there's a bit of an echo. We don't like echo. So we'll be doing some sound treatment in here. We're going to paint it a nice warm color so that it's nice and comfortable to be working in here instead of just, kind of utilitarian. That drives me crazy. The lights, we'll keep them, but we'll probably add on to the lights so that there's, something more comfortable and relaxing. Over here, we've got the window, of course. I'll probably put a bench underneath that. Or I'll just have the cart with the tools dedicated to automobile stuff. Because I'll be wrenching on the Miata in here, and my daily driver, and changing oil and doing all that regular maintenance stuff, as well as upgrades and projects and all that fun stuff. So, might hang a TV on this wall. I don't know. I don't know if I want a TV in the workshop. It might be a distraction. I don't know. It could be nice to have if I am taking a break and, just relaxing, get out of the house every once in a while and not work on a project. But something tells me if I've got a TV show on, whatever it is, I'm going to be watching the TV show because I'm a TV kid. And I don't know, might lose a finger that way. I don't know if it's a good idea. So maybe, maybe not. I don't expect to have any game consoles here. That's way too much of a distraction. So, yeah, not that kind of man cave. The electrical outlets, there's a couple, but there is plenty of room for growth. The electrical panel, we've got, what was it, 7? Yeah, we've got 7 circuit breakers, and obviously we've got a panel that can hold more. We'll have to find out the details on what's been run and expand as necessary, but the landlord is super cool. Just met with him. He handed off the keys, and he basically said that, if I'm, I can do whatever I want. It's my space. So if I'm going to, do any venting to the outside, just make sure I don't cause any damage. That seems pretty amazing. So I can just punch holes wherever I want and do a good job cleaning them up. You don't care. That sounds pretty cool. So I have never done anything like this before, and I am super excited to get started. There are so many ideas running through my head that I'm not sure which ones to do first, or if any of them should be done, or if there's other changes I'll make along the way. But what I would love is to hear from you guys. If you've had the opportunity to build out a space, or if you've dreamed about building out a space, what has worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? What would you love to see in a space like this? I have pretty much carte blanche on doing anything here. So who knows? I might actually do whatever I want here. Tomorrow is move-in day, so we're getting started bright and early, 9 a.m., getting the truck, loading it up, pulling everything in here. Of course, it's going to be the second day of August, and it's supposed to be 100 degrees, and it's going to be a miserable day, but it's going to be exciting all the same. So we are going to have a ton of videos showing the move and the build out of this place, and I hope you stick around for the ride. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to have a lot of excitement, I tell you that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can stay on top of all the videos I post on what I do here in the space, not only to the space, but all the projects I do within it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.